Toyota just recently posted a picture of the 4th Gen Tacoma's tailgate. It's a TRD Pro with an iForce Max badge, which means this new line of Tacomas will have a hybrid motor. The iForce Max engines found on the current Tundras is a 3.5 liter twin turbo 10-speed automatic transmission. It's a hybrid V6 motor that pushes out 437 horsepower and 583 foot-pounds of torque. That's a lot of power and torque. Now, would that same exact hybrid motor be overkill for the Tacoma? Let's talk about it. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. In the words of James Humphreys, Mo Powell, baby. Now, personally, I would love to see the Tundra motors as an option for the Tacomas. Let me know what your thoughts are.